Hello friends, once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel White Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to interface ultrasonic sensor with NodeMCU and Blynk app. We will see output of ultrasonic sensor on Blynk app with remotely. So let us get started step by step. This is a schematic diagram. Here I am using one NodeMCU and one SH-SR04. This is ultrasonic sensor. VCC pin is connected to Vin, it means 5 volt, and ground pin is connected to ground of NodeMCU board, and echo pin is connected to D2 and trigger pin is connected to D1 of NodeMCU board. So circuit is very simple. Now we will go to Blynk app setting. We will make their project. I will open Blynk app, create new project. Project name is ultrasonic and board is NodeMCU. So here I will select NodeMCU. Okay. Connection type is Wi-Fi and theme is dark. So click on create. Authentication token has been sent to my email ID. So okay. Now I will add component. So first of all I will add LCD and I will add gauge. Okay. Now I will select here setting. Go to advanced mode. Okay, I will do only advanced mode and click on here. I will use virtual pin V0 and maximum value will be 50. Push rate is 1 second. Okay, one thing I will select here pin is V1, virtual pin V1. Okay, back. Now setting has been done and now we will go to Arduino programming. I have already created here program. So I am using here ESP8266 Wi-Fi library and Blynk simple ESP8266 library. If you have not installed this library, so go to Sketch and include library, manage libraries. Here search Blynk. You can see I have installed this library. Here it is showing installed. So we no need to install. If you have not installed this library, so you have to install this library. Now close. Here I am using trigger pin with D2 number pin and echo pin is connected to D1. These are variable. Here I have to paste here authentication token number. So I have received in mail. So I will open my mail. I will copy this and I will paste here. Okay, this is my network SSID name and this is my network password. Here I am using LCD and V1 number virtual pin and here trigger pin as a output and echo pin as a input. Okay, Blynk.begin function will initialize Blynk app protocol and by passing authentication token number, SSID and password. Okay. Timer dot set interval, it will call send sensor function in each second. Okay, this is send sensor function. It will be called every second by this function timer dot set interval. Here I am using 100 millisecond. So these are ultrasonic sensor code. It will calculate the distance, and distance will be sent on V0 pin because gas component is connected on V0 pin. And here it will be print on LCD white loop Robotech and distance. So I hope you understood this. Now I will compile and upload. Now I will upload. Before uploading, I will select the board, go to tools and NodeMCU board. Select here port is COM port 4 and upload. Okay, uploading done successfully. Now I will press on play button in Blynk app and I will keep here what's happened. I will open serial monitor. What happened? There is something problem. Invalid. It is showing invalid authentication token number. So I will go to again my email. I will copy and I will paste in code. Okay, I will open serial monitor and press reset button. Wow, it is working. So go to back and click on play button. Wow, distance is 32 centimeter and I will keep card. Distance is 6 centimeter 7. If I will increase the distance, it is increasing. Great. Response time is very fast. So okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, you can support me on PayPal and Patreon. My PayPal account has been given in description box. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any query, please let me know in comment box. Thanks for watching.